Wave Accounting Review. So Wave Accounting over here, as of now, pretty much continues to be one of the most compelling free accounting solutions that is available. So it's especially good for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses with straightforward financial needs. It offers core accounting features like income and expense tracking, invoicing, bank connections, and definitely lots more. But some of those do come with a subscription, but a rare value proposition in the accounting software space. For many small corporations or even operations that want reliable financial management without monthly fees, Wave remains one of the easiest and most accessible choices, although it is only available around US and Canada, I suppose. But with that, Wave's free offerings are generous. They aren't as feature rich as some paid alternatives, although you're looking for free, but still, especially for larger teams or more complex accounting requirements, features like the advanced inventory management, project accounting, or even the deeply customizable reporting typically found in paid tools like you got your QuickBooks, you got Xero, pretty much limited or missing in Wave. That said, for businesses with simple books or looking to automate basic bookkeeping and invoicing, Wave's mix of automation, ease of use are generally free core features that keeps it competitive even this year. So lots of pros that we already mentioned, but the cons, like the limited advanced features, separate paid services, custom reporting restrictions, and even support limitations, can somewhat bring it down, but Wave is still best suited for freelancers, new business owners, and micro businesses who need reliable bookkeeping without much of the expense. If your accounting needs are basic and you value your free software that just works, then Wave is pretty hard to beat. So Wave Accounting can remain one of the best free accounting tools in this year, delivering core features that are rare to find at no cost. It's not the most powerful accounting platform overall, but for its price, which is free, most of it, it offers excellent value and simplicity that makes it a top choice for small, uncomplicated businesses. So if your business outgrown its limitation, transitioning to a more advanced paid tool could be the next step, but until then, Wave Accounting stands strong as a dependable free solution. So that's pretty much the general idea on your Wave Accounting. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.